Welcome to our March tablescape. You know, I often say that good garden design tells a story, and likewise, I think that every good tablescape design tells a story. It's more than just being pretty. I think inspired by holidays or by the season really provides a welcoming table decor for your guests and for your family. And here, being spring, it's green. It's green and gold. And I think March being the vernal equinox, I was also inspired by this sense of balance. So here you can see I got a moon globe and a sun globe, which is also very nice lighting. And March used to be the first month of the year. It's when the troops went back to fighting after their winter break, which I think is really very funny. But here you can see the scales making everything in balance on March 21st. And I've filled them with charms, the sun, the moon, and some other planets. For the place settings, I've had the gold cutlery. I got the gold chargers recently at an estate sale. I've had the Lenox green plates and the vintage salad plates. The pink and green are new this year from Williams-Sonoma, and I think it inspired me to get these beautiful baby pink roses. I'm just enchanted by the tulips that are these parrot French tulips in the green and the white. And then for the centerpiece, I found this vintage item that needed some sprucing up, and Bill painted it a bronze gold. I got some hanging globes that I filled with moss and some air plants, and then lit them up with tea lights. So I find that March being new beginnings is inspiring. It's also very spiritual, I think, in a way, when you see the new beginnings starting. I hope I've inspired you to create a very pretty, welcoming tablescape for your family and for your guests, and that you have a sense of balance, harmony, peace, good health, and new beginnings.